Yes, my people, good day. Working on a Nissan today, Nissan Rogue. Customer states, when I'm working the power window switch, the passenger side is not working. Open, close, dead. So we're going to figure that out and see why. So the first thing we're going to do is remove that. Yeah, step one is we're going to remove that door panel and see what's going on. All right, because all the other ones working. There is a possibility that something could be going on in the harness, but we'll get directly to the door lock actuator and see what's going on. All right, but first, we print out a wiring diagram and then we identify the components. So right there, so we have the right front door lock actuator. So we're looking at it. It has two wires going to it. And if you notice, one of the wires coming here going into this module, which is the BCM body control module. And then the other wire goes into the body control module 2. This wire here taps in, it goes up and goes into the left door actuator. So when you hit the switch, the same signal goes to all four doors. So just two wires, and both of them, none of them are going straight to a fuse or a relay or anything. It's a body control module controlling everything. I can either go to the body control module and check these two wires coming out, whichever is easiest, or just pull the door panel and check these two wires here and see if they're getting the signal and it's just not moving. Sometimes those body control modules are hard to access, so I'm going to just pull the door panel off and keep it moving. See what I'm saying? See that? There's a truck. There's a module. See where it's pointing? Up underneath the dash, under the steering wheel somewhere. And then now it's jammed in here. How you going to get to all of these teeny tiny wires? No, sir. I'll go straight to the door panel. All right, door panel off. Taking a look at the door lock actuator. First thing we confirm is it's plugged in and we see the two wires here. So we're going to pull this off. All right, there goes the two wires there. A purple and a blue. So what we're going to do is we're going to activate the switch and then check if we're getting the signal coming down on here. Let's go. All right, so we'll touch on this. So we have to begin with, we have ground. You know which one is lock and which one is unlock? All right, so hit it to lock. All right, hit it to unlock. All right, hit it to lock, hit it to unlock. All right, so you notice that one of them is locked, one of them is unlocked. So each activates. Long story short, the signal is coming to the door lock actuator, but the door lock actuator not working. So we need a door lock actuator, which is the whole lock actuator assembly. We have to change that out. All right, this is the door lock actuator, that complete thing back there, which is the latch and everything all in one. So we have to pull these out and change that. So that's the diagnosis. Door lock actuator bad already. 2018 Nissan Rogue. Boy, let me tell you, they don't make them like they used to. Come on, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bless you.